In Somerset there's two towns, one called Rivel and one called Mallet, which doesn't really make much sense if you're only speaking English, because I don't think they made much curry in this area in medieval times. But it turns out that these two towns are from a Brythonic root. In Welsh there's a word croy, which means a boundary or a border of some kind. And those towns sit roughly on what was once the border of the Kingdom of Wessex, the Saxon kingdom, and the Kingdom of Dyfnant, which was in what's now modern day Devon. These two towns lived on the Croy, or after it's been mangled a little bit, the Curry. And later, after they were taken over by the Normans, were given the name of the Norman landowners. So we have Curry Mallet, as in Mr. Mallet. Then we have Rivel, which is named after a Norman landowner, de Rivel.